Hello guys and welcome back. Today I'll show you how to fix the Windows blue screen error on Windows 10 or 11. Firstly, type Windows Memory Diagnose It into the Windows search bar and select it from the search results. In the diagnostic tool, click on Restart Now and check for problems. Now, your system will reboot and the diagnostic test will begin automatically. Just allow the test to complete. It may take several minutes. Once the test finishes, your system will restart. Just check if the memory-related issue is resolved. Running this tool can help identify any issues with your RAM, allowing you to take further steps if problems are detected, since this problem is mainly related to your RAM. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.